As we open our exploration, the camera settles on the classic front three-quarter view of the bright cherry red 1998 Hyundai Excel, its license plate HEXL 1998 standing as a silent testament to the very year it achieved a monumental sales victory, all presented within the pristine, reflective confines of this pure white showroom where the gleaming epoxy floor perfectly captures the car's unassuming yet revolutionary profile, a design that redefined value. Transitioning seamlessly to the clean side profile, the true essence of its practical hatchback form is revealed, a silhouette prioritizing maximum interior space and efficiency over frivolous styling, its straight lines and upright stands mirrored flawlessly on the showroom floor, demonstrating the straightforward philosophy that catapulted it to the top of the sales charts. From the rear three-quarter perspective, we appreciate the functional rear-end design, featuring its iconic tall tail lights and generously sized hatch, a configuration that promised unparalleled practicality for young families and first-time buyers, all while the fixed identifier, HEXL 1998, remains prominently in view, anchoring this specific vehicle to its historic moment. Confronting the Excel head-on, we are met with its honest and straightforward fascia, a face defined by simple rectangular headlights and a modest grille, now dramatically highlighted by the clinical white showroom spotlights that make the vibrant cherry red paintwork seem even more profound, symbolizing the bold statement this car made in a conservative market. The direct rear view reinforces this theme of unpretentious functionality, showcasing a design where every element served a clear purpose, from the large glass area for excellent visibility to the robust bumper, with the license plate HEXL 1998 serving as the final, definitive punctuation mark on a design built for purpose. To instill a sense of drama into this everyday hero, we drop to a low-angle hero shot, a perspective that transforms the Excel's humble proportions into a commanding presence, emphasizing the curve of its wheel arches and the rake of its windshield, making it appear both aspirational and accessible under the showroom's perfect lighting. Stepping inside, our focus narrows to the driver-centric dashboard and steering wheel, a landscape of beautiful simplicity where clear, analog gauges and a button-free steering wheel recall an era of fundamental connection between driver and machine, all viewed through a windshield that frames the minimalist white showroom beyond. Adopting the driver's own point of view, we experience the cabin as its original owners did. This is the commanding yet unintimidating perspective that sold millions of units, with all vital controls within easy reach and a clear view of the road ahead, an environment designed to build confidence rather than overwhelm with complexity. From the back seat, looking forward between the front headrests, we gain a true appreciation for the Excel's clever packaging, an interior that felt surprisingly spacious and airy, a testament to Hyundai's engineers who maximized every inch to accommodate real-life needs, all while the pristine white showroom walls visible through the windows maintain a consistent, clean backdrop. In a detailed close-up, we examine the intricate design of the front headlight and grille, an assembly of simple glass and plastic that performed its duty with relentless reliability, the showroom lights catching its surface to reveal a tool of pure function, yet one that contributes significantly to the car's characterful face. A similar, meticulous inspection of the rear tail light cluster reveals its robust construction, the vibrant red and amber lenses designed for longevity and clarity, with the deep cherry red of the bodywork reflecting softly onto its surface, a small detail that speaks to a broader commitment to cohesive design. Zooming in on the front wheel, we study the practical steel rim and hubcap combination, a choice that prioritized durability and low-cost maintenance, while the tire itself, with its distinct tread, represents the fundamental connection between the sales champion and the tarmac it so frequently conquered. Lifting the hood, we reveal the beating heart of the Excel, a compact and logically arranged engine bay designed not for peak performance but for exemplary fuel efficiency, ease of maintenance, and legendary reliability, the very factors that contributed so heavily to its low running costs and overwhelming market appeal. Delving deeper into its mechanical underpinnings, a low-angle shot of the front brake assembly offers a glimpse of the car's functional skeleton, the disc and caliper working tirelessly behind the scenes to provide safe and predictable stopping power, a crucial aspect of the Excel's trustworthy nature. From an elevated, top-down perspective, the Excel's hatchback blueprint is laid bare against the white showroom floor, its form following its function in perfect harmony, with the license plate HEXL 1998 reading clearly from this God's eye view, a perfect summary of its efficient and purposeful footprint. A wide-angle lens from within the cabin captures the full scope of the interior environment, a space that feels both expansive and intimate, a masterclass in 90s ergonomics where every element has its place, and the world outside, defined by the white showroom, appears calm and orderly. Our hand finds the gear shifter in a close-up that underscores the tactile, involved driving experience. This was an interface that required driver input, a direct mechanical connection that many modern cars have lost, set against a center console of beautiful, stark utility. In a more reflective moment, we see the interior through the driver's side window, where the ghostly reflection of the white showroom and the steadfast license plate, HEXL 1998, merges with the view of the simple dashboard, creating a layered image that perfectly encapsulates the car's legacy as a tangible object and a powerful memory. A dramatic, rear low-angle shot frames the underside and exhaust, highlighting the utilitarian reality beneath the attractive red shell, a reminder that this was a car built to endure the rigors of daily commutes and family adventures without complaint. And finally, we conclude on an extreme close-up of the Hyundai badge itself, the emblem that this very car propelled into global recognition, its chrome surface brilliantly reflecting the white showroom lights, symbolizing the dawn of a new era and the remarkable journey of a humble Excel that, through aggressive pricing and undeniable value, achieved the ultimate surprise by ranking number 1 in sales in June 1998.